Aerobic respiration. Students, cellular respiration occurs among the living organisms by two methods. Those two methods are aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration means oxygen is involved and anaerobic respiration means oxygen is not involved. In aerobic respiration, glucose is oxidized in three steps. First, glycolysis. Second, tricarboxylic acid cycle. And third one, electron transfer chain reaction. Now we are going to study the aerobic respiration in which glucose is oxidized step by step. In aerobic respiration, the first step is glycolysis. Process of glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm. Molecule of glucose is oxidized step by step in this process and two molecules of each, that is pyruvic acid, is produced from this glucose molecule. Molecules of pyruvic acid formed in this process are converted into the molecules of acetyl coenzyme A. That means pyruvic acid is converted into the acetyl coenzyme A. Two molecules of NADH2 and two molecules of carbon dioxide are released during this process. Second, tricarboxylic acid cycle. Both molecules of acetyl coenzyme A enters the mitochondria. Cyclical chain of reaction called tricarboxylic acid cycle is operated on it in mitochondria. That means acetyl coenzyme A, which is produced from pyruvic acid in glycolysis process, this acetyl coenzyme A enters the mitochondria and in mitochondria the acetyl part of the acetyl coenzyme A is completely oxidized through this cyclical process known as tricarboxylic acid cycle. During this process, molecules of carbon dioxide, water, NADH2 and FADH2 are derived. Then third step of this aerobic respiration, electron transfer chain reaction. Molecules of NADH2 and FADH2 formed during all above the processes participate in electron transfer chain reaction. So here we have the long form of NADH2 and FADH2. NADH2 stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and FADH2 stands for flavin adenine dinucleotide. These NADH2 and FADH2 take part in the electron transfer chain reaction, so that each NADH2 molecules produces 3 molecules of ATP and each FADH2 molecule produces 2 molecules of ATP during this aerobic respiration. Besides ATP, water molecules are also formed in this reaction. This electron transfer chain reaction is operated in mitochondria only. In this way, a molecule of glucose is completely oxidized in aerobic respiration and molecules of carbon dioxide and water are also produced along with this energy. In this way, during this glycolysis, tricarboxylic acid cycle, electron transfer chain reaction, in this way, the step by step, during this process, the glucose is completely oxidized during this aerobic respiration and energy is produced in living organisms.